Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and I'm sure you have forgotten me completely because I think it's almost 6 months that I haven't been very consistent and 3 to 4 months where I have just stopped posting. I had my reasons, guys. I'll let you know. But today I am here with new makeup products that I have recently purchased. First things first, these products are not an impulse purchase or I did not buy just because I was influenced. While I was away, I did some decluttering of my makeup, skincare, and everything that might have expired, including the eyeshadow palettes that I have been using for years. Some of the products that I have purchased are recent launches, while some of them are the products that I have been eyeing for a very long time. And I thought this is the right time to give those products a try. And trust me, I'm going to use these products for the first time. So without wasting more time, let's get into it and let's start with the primers. I actually wanted to try the Elf Cosmetics one, but I came across one of the video that mentioned Mars Cosmetics has the dupe of it and I had to get my hands on this one. It is affordable and hopefully it meets the expectations. For the primer, I did not stop right there. One more primer that I got is from Nykaa Cosmetics. It is their Bollywood filter. I wanted to try this one also for a very long time, but I thought it was expensive and this was on offer, like buy two products for X amount. I don't remember that. I really hope this works because I haven't actually seen primers making a lot of difference on my skin. Next up are a couple of skin tints. Now, everyone knows foundation for daily wear is not something everyone is preferring these days, and I actually do not have any functions to attend, neither I have to go to office. So I think skin tints are going to be my best friends, and I got two of them. The first one is from Elf Cosmetics. It says satin foundation, but it's medium coverage and it's not very thick as a foundation. So I think it's a good one and I got it for a good price as well. Next one is from Love Child by Masaba. Now this 10 ml product is for 700 rupees, which I think is very expensive. This comes in three different variants. Because I just wanted to try this product, I got in the smallest size. If I like this product, I might think of buying the full size. But again, I have a better option price wise. So let's see how it goes. Actually, today I was going to try these products and make a video while using them. But my luck is not that great because, as I mentioned, I have not been posting for almost 4 months now and I wasn't shooting either. And my lens is dried out completely. I did not open that for months and it was upside down. So all the solution that was in there to protect the lens has come out and the lens is dried. So I need to buy a new one. Whenever I get my lens done, the first video that I'm going to shoot is trying out all of these new makeup products. Next up is this concealer by NYX Professional. It is expensive one, but if you want to save some money, buy it on Myntra instead of Nykaa because there is almost 200 to 250 rupees of difference in the price. So I got it from Myntra and you can get it too. That was a good tip, you guys. Always compare the prices before you buy. Next is something that I do not know how to use. It's a contour. I really love to see the videos where people, snatch their features and everything looks so good. When I use a contour, I turn dark. I I don't know how to use it, but I really want to learn. So I got one and this is from Elf Cosmetics. Next up is the brow product from Mars. Again, something I want to learn. I don't know how to do my brows. I just leave them as is. So I wanted to have one affordable one and it's a good one, hopefully. Next up is this eyeshadow palette. It is from LA Colors. I got it from the website called HOK Makeup. That's a page on Instagram. It has 14 shades, all are basic shades, and basic is what I know. I hope it has great pigment. Let's try. Three shade. I hope the pigment shows well on my eyes, and that's all I hope from this. From the same website, I got this lipstick. It is from the brand Focalure. It is in the shade PK02. It's a very basic shade and the comfortable one for me. So I think it's good. This is actually non-sticky, velvety as well. And this actually reminds me of the product by Maybelline. They called it Teddy Tint, which was not at all Teddy Smooth. But this is. They should have tried this kind of formula. It's not transfer proof, but I like it. Next is this product that I wanted to try is the Rene Midnight Kajal Kohl Pencil. You would like to. I broke it. It is dark. I'm sad that I broke it, but it's dark. Next up is this duo from Fay Beauty, and this is in the shade Nutty and the highlighter in the shade Solar. This is the blush. Cute. Again, something similar to my lipstick shade. It's not very pigmented, but for daily use, it's good. And then Fay. This is very golden and has a satin finish for sure. Lastly, these two lip products. First is this one. It is from the brand called Mrucha Beauty, a beauty influencer. She has come up with her own brand, and the first launch were their lipsticks. I got one. Again, a similar shade to what I'm wearing right now. I've tried this one or two times before. It's not transfer proof, but a good one for daily wear. And lastly is this glass tint lip balm from DM Beauty. Again, something in the similar shade, but I'm not doing things right. This is one kind of a lip gloss, but it's a mess. This product feels like it should be stored inside a fridge. It's literally melting, and it is not something that you would use on its own unless you have those beautiful lips. Mine are pigmented, so I cannot use it just like that.
I definitely need a liner, a lipstick, and then something like a gloss or tint would do for me. But this product,
Looking at it and how it just broke with even a light hand application, I am not a big fan of it. This video ended on a very bad note. I broke two products. Anyways, that's all the products that I have purchased, and I just hope I get myself out as soon as possible, get those contact lenses for myself, and make a video while trying these products. And I really hope to see you all soon. Bye.